Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this tutorial of SQL, and in this tutorial we will be looking at some of the operators. So SQL basically consists of operators like the AND, OR and NOT. Okay, so these are the operators which we will see how to make use of in this particular tutorial. Okay, so SQL and OR and NOT operators, these are basically used with the where clause. Okay, so where clause can be combined with the AND, OR and NOT operator. And or operators are used to filter the records based upon more than one condition, and an operator displays the record if all the conditions separated by and are true. Okay, so if suppose I'm giving two conditions and I'm making use of the and operator, then when both of those conditions are true, only then records will be displayed. And if I'm making use of the and operator, then if suppose I'm giving the or operator on two conditions and either one of them is true, then records will be shown. Okay, if both of these conditions are false, then no records will be shown. We will clear out this confusion about these two lines in these upcoming examples, so don't worry about it. Okay, and not operators displays the records if the condition is not true. This is the definition of the not operator. Don't worry, we will see that with the help of the example. Okay, so over here this is the syntax. Okay, so select then whatever columns that you want to select, you have to give the number names of these columns. Then from where you want to select, you have to give the name of that table, and then you have to make use of the where keyword. Then you have to specify the first condition, then make use of the and keyword, then use the second condition, then you make use of the and keyword, then give the third condition. Whatever number of the conditions that you want to give, you can give. And this is the syntax for or operator. Instead of the and, you have to put the or. Okay, and this is the condition for not syntax. You have to just put not after the where. Okay, where, not, and after that the condition. These are the three syntax. Let's just see the demos. Okay, so this is a demo table, which is a customers table, and this is what we have seen so far in the previous examples also. Don't worry about it. Okay, so this is the first example which we will see. So over here what we are doing is we are selecting all the columns from the customers table, and this is the condition. We are selecting only those records where the country name is Germany and Berlin. Okay, and if I'm just running this, okay, so over here the country name is Germany and the city is Berlin. Over here I would like to tell you one thing is that if either these conditions fails or this condition fails, then we will not get the results. Okay, in order to get the desired results, both these conditions have to be satisfied when we are making use of the AND operator. So this is that confusion which I wanted to clear out. Okay, as long as this condition is also true and these conditions is also true, we will not get the desired results. Okay, so over here the country name is Germany and the city name is Berlin. That's why we are getting this result. If suppose I'm making use of the or operator over here, or operator, then we are getting so many results, because over here either the country is Germany or city is Berlin. Okay, so in this first record, country is Germany and the city is Berlin. In this second record, country is Germany, but city is not Berlin. But either of the condition is true. Either the country is Germany or city has to be Berlin. Okay, so over here city is not Berlin, but country is Germany. Over here city is not Berlin, but country is Germany. Okay, so in this condition city is Germany and country is also Berlin. Okay, so in all these examples either one of the condition is satisfied. That's why okay, whenever we are making use of the or, either these conditions has to be satisfied or these conditions has to be satisfied. But when we are making use of the and, this condition has to be satisfied and also this condition has to be satisfied. Okay, so this is the difference between the and the or. And yeah, this is the example of the or. Okay, Okay, so whenever I'm running this example, over here either the city is Berlin, or either the city is Berlin or this München. Okay, so that's why we are getting this result. Okay, so now next example is this one. We are executing this. Okay, so this is about the country. Okay, we are selecting the records where the country is either Germany or Spain, and in this record, in this country is either Germany or Spain, Germany or Spain, Germany or Spain. So this is how we can make use of the AND and the OR. And this is the next example. We are selecting all the records where country is not Germany. Okay, except Germany, it will display all the results. Okay, in this as can be seen, the countries are either Mexico, UK, Sweden, France, etc, etc, but it is not showing the records where the country is Germany. If I'm just giving this as Mexico and running this, then Mexico. Now if I'm just running this, then it will show all the records except the records where the country is this Mexico. Okay, so you can also make the combination of AND, OR, and NOT. Let me just show you this first example. Okay, so over here what it is doing is it is selecting all the records from the customers table where the country is Germany, and it is also filtering out the records that city has to be either Berlin or München. Okay, so both these conditions has to be satisfied. In this country has to be Germany, but city could be either Berlin or München. Okay, let me just show you the results. Okay, so over here country is Germany, but the cities are the Berlin or München. Okay, so this is how we can make use of this conditions. We can also give OR condition over here. We are selecting all the countries. We are selecting all the records where country is Germany. Either the country has to be Germany or city could be any of these. Okay, so this will give a lot of data. Okay, so over here the condition is either of these has to be true. Okay, so yeah, you can give this something like this also. It won't put any difference. Okay, so over here either this condition either Germany, Berlin, sorry, country has to be Germany, or city could be Berlin or München. Okay, country is Germany, city is Berlin or München. München. Okay, so this is how we can give this nesting, or we can give the multiple AND, OR, and NOT. Next, this is the one more example. In this example, let's see what we are doing. Okay, so we are selecting all the records from the customers where country is not Germany and also not USA. Okay, so as can be seen, the country is all these records are displayed in which country is not Germany, also not USA. Also, as can be seen, you will not find USA or this Germany. Okay, so over here we have made use of the NOT also and as well. Okay, so this is how we can make use of the AND, OR, and NOT with the help of SQL. Thanks for watching.